Anxiety is fear mixed with control. And when you can't control something, the only thing left to do is to rage.
I was feeling like my career was done. I was feeling like I was washed up. See, I got on that bus and I said, I'm gonna make this song just for me and I don't care if nobody like it. And I ain't had no producers out on the road with me, so I said, yo, I'm not gonna wait on nobody. I'm gonna make this beat myself. And that's when I had this little melody idea and it came to my mind, so I recorded it with my voice. And that's when I took that little recording of my voice and I put the distortion pedal on it and I made it sound crazy and I made it sound just like this. Like this.